All my mother supposed to there Jamaica ball now and her nerves at work. Yeah, go alright, baby. Baby, I told you put them kill dead and gone. I'm still blood clot there. I want to you. I'm still there, ma'am. And I'm at home disgraceful. When I cast no life, no cast no blood clot, I'm still alive. I can't shameful because you live to see your daughter married. 3 years. September 8 gone. Me and Dewey be together 2 years and 6 months. Me married. Me don't want no more marriage. Me have enough of that. Fuck that not good. You know, see me take off the ring from before me go down. You know, eat that. Watch the process, man. The growth you have to creep. Then you sit down upon your baby. Then you start creep. Then you're lonely. Then you walk. Then you run. It's a process. When I eat that, it's about love yourself, but empower. If me never empower my blood clots, then we don't amount of rubbish pan. Today, the amount of things I'm put up with do it. I'm willingness huddlumly put up with them and expect say him I go realizing himself as a young man and shape up. I said, do it. Give yourself 3 months from all of these girls and bad energy. It's a lot for you doing. You don't have the power like me because me nice and trample things and them things here. But when you're involved with so much woman and so much pressure doing, it makes you stagnant. Because when you talk to one set this week and you tell them is the next set the other week and the next set say drain the energy so you can't concentrate. No matter how I talk to the brother, I mean it. I mean I'm target. I say do me and your enemy now. I just talk to blood clot much. You understand? So when I repeat myself to explain, can I elaborate? So I talk to you. And so I said, do it. Remember you give me your name. So you cannot disgrace your name. Marriage is very serious. So regardless, we have internet marriage. We're still married in a real life. So what we do, and all of them disgrace and compete with each other, we now go back down the road they're doing. You have a problem, you speak to me. You know if you have a problem, me have a problem, you don't have to tell me speak. I tell you 60 million times, 60 different ways to make you know I'm a problem. What more can I do? I have to come over and complete the blood of Jesus, man. Me don't know where I'm there. Me not hear from him. You're there Canada. Come on. I was so bad. That you told me in my blood clot face I gone from the 31st of August till now. Today what day? The 31st of August. How you can hear me here, so I'm saying, me not call him and ask him about himself. I called you the same night. And I said, Dwayne, come and make me dress you. I mean, your wife, do remember you told me in my face. So, yeah, crazy, you stab me. You better you shoot me. And you did it. I said, Dwayne, are your own scissors are self-defense? I'm a playing him, hype and him. As some people hear him, I said, you're the man that talk to me on the people then. No, you look sympathy. I tell people about my wife not apologize to me, not apologize. I mean, I call you and ask you how you do. Call you ask you your blood clot when you lick Edward Wally a blood clot man against me like you think the man can come shoot me in my blood clot. If man shoot, woman not forget shoot, man not forget no shoot. And me take care of you. Your wife becomes your second mother. See to that you eat, you have clothes. Man for go out and work and be the breadwinner. And we keep the home. None of that no enough for my marriage. But I still love it because for my marriage. Miss girl, what kind of lighter this you give me? Chat too much another lighter. Come on, last week get a lighter. We have enough, man. We have enough. God blood clot, no. Me do we just go fuck one blood clot, girl. I'm sit down like all a little puppy dog and sit down and wait till him done fuck. And when him come just angle me, so I say, blood clot, Queenie. Look how you idiot and this a boy you angle you. Now I'm to do it. Set up on blood clot, get up out of this. You think you can come blood clot, abuse me again? My glad! I swear to Almighty God, you can't come shitting on me yard like you're doing. Right by your doorstep and then I go tell me crazy. Men not like you, you know. Yeah, different blood clot girl over me where you say one blood clot time and I tell me call the girl, me say me not call her. Don't make she know so me know I'm afraid. The way the girl demands you as a married blood clot man. And I tell me not to call you dog and drunker. What do you want to live up on? And a band she live. Southgate. She's supposed to have baby for March. Crazy, are you met the girl now? Me say, me met the girl now. Me? So yeah, I know me met my husband come here and the girl take my husband. And me met the girl now communicate with it. Now you're dark and ignorant. And then I complain picture like me, I want mad blood clot woman. Which girl I go take care and put up with so much blood clot slackness, then you turn and bite me. Sorry for Marga dog. Marga dog turn around, bite you. All phrase. Yes, sorry for Marga dog. Marga dog turn around, bite me. Do you treat me bad? But true, when I come talk about me not love myself, why do you think me there to attack? Because when him treat me bad, I say, what you idiot you? You have that nice woman here. Was so determined. So rascal. What the word? Independent. I mean, I bring her as a young man, Mr. Dewey. You can sell 500 queen. 500. Remember when him just come to England, you know, him selling them. Blood clots. And I do me attack too. Do you promote your song? So me say that in Canada have one flyers for your page with me bill. Delete your blood clot page and delete everything when me give you. You know me left do it. It's the night after I call him. That time I don't know saying they are public, you know. Him hype, you know. Canada may I go. Crazy, you can't give me £10,000. Me say, me can't get 10,000. You remember my boss said, I stab him, you know. But here the man I got said to me when him thief the car and gone. Him hype cost him get the car. Crazy! Canada may I go. You can't give me £10,000 to start out my life, you know. But do it. You get 10 million times £10 to the amount of plane ticket to me blood clot by your ungrateful shit house, you. I'm a listen to you. And when I go, I say, no, I can't sleep with this. I need to do something. And I go on a back road. Because I remember I have the clothes them in the Jeep when I carry me out. Crazy, I don't want no clothes. Keep them. Keep them and them hype. I go on a back road, you see. And I take the silver suitcase when I'm slide come through the blood clot airport. And I throw it in the water. And I heap up next to the blood clot clothes them and I throw it in the blood clot water. I swear, I'm not satisfied. I got telling about the ring, because I never remember telling about the ring. The ring when I find. Yeah, I remember now. I said, not sure, I said there. I'm a drive up, I'm nervous, and I trim myself after this man mash up my blood clot face. I want to beat me up again. I'm a defend myself, this man, I run like a headless blood clot. I drive run away and sell the pussy. And I drive run at the rascal to the sea. And I get some white rum and I heap up another set of blood clot clothes. And burn them. I'm left with the third set. And the day after, which was the Monday, I'm hype and say, no one to close them, you know. Him call me run after 12. I don't know what time. I say, if him can't get him close them, I must put them outside of the grill. I'm glad. Catch my bun some. I don't want him ask for his suitcase. No, no argument with him because I block him from the night. I block him. So when him get the clothes, he might call me because I say, blood clot, I suitcase, he might ask me for some. I block him because I never got to talk about the clothes, you know. I just said I got hold it like a G. No, I'm not selling a ring. I have my ring. But still, Anna my ring enough. Yeah, man, I still Anna my ring. It's a woman to my word. You win some and you lose some. I swear it not last forever. Some people come in your life for a season, some for a reason, some it's for a lifetime. Well, Dewey and come for grant me that wish of marriage. And that's why I stand by my husband and fight for him. Enough man would marry twice. Enough man have so much things and them not married to it. I never do nothing for do it. My name is a Jamaican rental car. I remember Mama remind me and say, remember when we on Duby there, I said, Duby me care and bring you to England and him say, me not care, me love you, me am married to you. Right out of Yvette. There wasn't no material things. Them time that you're just normal, nobody not know you. So the two little people them we have for your phone, where you know from long time, a little girl them we have. Every girl DM do it in her. Doing a cute DM, Tamika DM, Wingy DM. Every girl who I know in England doing a them DM. Before me and after. And even and men him them still in a them DM. I mean, I pay him no man come here, say, doing a one body have baby. Stop draining yourself with all of these girls. Do it. I have one girl who come from America, and him come from America, and the girl, man, him and the girl, they were at the go-go club, and the girl in him ears and this and that, and him say the girl want fuck him and sitting, and the girl just go with him friend. And when the girl go with him friend, blatantly insult me and do it. I mean, I said, do it that you bring me for, do it, do me some blood clot, do it, I want lose, come back in and do it. And I said, do it. And that you make me witness as your wife, that time me I take the bitter girl, you know. I said that you make me witness as your wife. I'm going to come back and do it. So I'm going to talk to the girl as if you ever see me with the girl, what am I going to do? You say, me thief, do it phone. I do me here, I tell the girl, say, boy, you got church. If you ever give her the pussy, me I go do you this and me I go do that. I say, blood clot. One little dirty girl when named Keisha when we were from Upper call me and they say she want my cuss her be a father for him. You know, do it there. Connection boss, me this and me that. When you hear from the show, I tell do it, say she want to do it, baby, and do it for come here. This is when do it just coming on. So I tell my husband they want to give him baby. So Queenie, I do what me I make. Me not mean nothing. And him eat the girl and say this about the girl and whatever about the girl. When we look again, I do it and the girl see him blood clot to you. Do with some things, do it. I know the fuck them where you fucking a kind of a man fuck. I the disrespect behind it. Can me help you fuck enough for them? Yeah, come me in league with it. So if you stay happy, all of me said to do it, mother said do it. Yvette, Odette, no make do it tricky and tell him nothing about me argue more about girl. Me argue with him the way the girl them demand him as my husband. And when him go on and talk like him have money and me do it tell somebody say, go on and watch you now, go pick up the 2 phone. 2 phone did nobody make me give them body them, you know. And him hype. Me my hype and you know. Me and him agree. Me say, I wish where you get 2 phone. My friends say me want them. And me tell him give me them. Me say, then in them dear age a man no want phone, 2 phone and give them that you tell somebody. You hype off and nothing doing. You need to wake the fuck up. Eat that blood clot boy. We go buy Louis Nike shoes with pint with Louis and crash with. I do Louis out video. I say, doing don't buy any fake shoes. You don't respect me. You don't respect my word. You don't respect my value. You don't respect my brand. You don't respect me as a queen. The world love me doing. Instead doing do not buy no fake shoes. Wear something simple in the video. You still go back and buy. Who wear Louis and Nike? What the Nike shoes name? Air Force. You know the white one everybody love with the one big tick. Air Force slash the LV print. Do we and you don't need to. If you come in my life, I be a proper things I buy your way. If me and him go in a shop, I say, no, me not like it. I say, him talk to me. I have to say, calm down, madam, calm down. Your uncle me do it. What you me have a heart? Me have enough now, madam. So all who they along like, I own this on a blood clot that you never sort out, you know, sort out. I leave blood clot me alone. I'm glad me get rid of the boy. God no. Me I tell you no. Too much disgrace and God. When me and him account one time, I said, do it, how much girl you fucking the era are they there? And me and him account, how much of them call breeding? I said, do it. You know what? I'm glad for them girl the way you fuck without condom. Cause them pussy clean. Ask him. I pray every night. Excuse me. I can't smell blood clot doing cocky and left doing cocky no good. You're a nasty piece of husband. He's a shame and a disgrace to young 30-odd-year-old man I come to about little boy. Little boy, my ass. He's younger than me, but he's a little boy. Little boy, my shit. Every meeting I mix up, you can't even keep blood clot friend. Right now, you have out some of your blood clot friend them. And them style they have, you know, appreciate nobody. You stay with them and them hard soul and battle, and you chat them with me and by your left and get a next week that's friend, you know. You know, member them. You know, consistent with nothing. You can't style me. You can't mad blood clot me. So I say you heartless. I say you blood clot heartless as you know member. No good all when I put on the white frock. Like you can't take my car where you know me, my youth and my grandparents them in the two ride them. Yeah, drive one, NASA drive, but you do it nice. And the little royal family. You come and you disturb my family. Make me pin them and one day if I go blood clot drop down and then my son and mama chong and I eat that and the son and sister dead I'm still there. Low blood clot me make me vent. And run it for them pussy all. I want to now mistar my blood. Yeah, him have this style. Crazy! If I know your way is no way, it's about doing. If it's about me, it's gotta be my way. I am the queen. So if it's about my life, nobody can tell me when my in friends and you need an army for blood clot defeat me. None of my friends them mean me good in a talk to. You don't love to hit me. When I say I couldn't take back Dewey, you know. When I say Dewey a march with the 7 man, I say I eat them 8 blood clot, man. I just march behind them. Time my little girlfriend in the car, I did her. Because I feel a little company. Me not care no man. Me not put no man for extort blood clot me either. Me's a peaceful motherfucker. No bomber wall can extort me. Me not take up on me can blood clot manage. So if I forget get blood clot some old dog at Jamaica, them I go do what them want do. Me not depend blood clot that me not live with that for me. So don't tell nobody about me send man feel. Lie. You love call man. Me not believe that no man do it. I know myself now in a buckle. Me think on a God. Love you. Yeah. Yeah, man. Thank you. From there, England, anywhere in the world, what's dead and the police, I'm going to police protection. I said, there's a God. Sometimes I not even rascal pray the way I pray because I'm not a prayer warrior. But as I cuss one rascal, I said Jesus better. I know that Jesus conquers Satan every time. So when people say I mix up bad, they don't understand the power of it. When Satan beat me, I have to call back for God at the same time. Because he's the anointed one. Doing you do my bad. You see, if it's a front, you put your front good. Trust me. And don't trick yourself. Me not frightened over your cocky as much as you can fuck do. You not get enough blood clot fuck. Move your dirty little bit fuck blood clot. I want to tell you. Don't blood clot style, big man. You not blood clot active to say 4, 5, 6 times for the blood clot there. You not busy, sir. Chat to me, no man. I want to you. Me a tell you blood clot on. And me no fuck a box. Never blood clot that. Me not tell you, man. When him say I want me to go, I be say I will make one man fuck out my pussy. Him say which man? Me say me not have no man. Now that's why I come back. Me say me not entertain man. You know, do we know me is an idiot and him know me complacent. Him know me. Me say me not entertain man, you know. So now when shit hit the fan of your style, me just say a hug. Me not have nobody to go to. And him say no. Wife of mine will have my name. Can't fuck no man. And that made me smile. I was, oh, that's so good to myself, you know. That give me a little buzz. I said, nice. I saw me tell him to make me a prayer. I try, man. I try. And it's the same day I said to him. How you mean if somebody can name Winji out of Father E? Winji is my hairdresser. Winji is one of my hairdresser. What do you mean like somebody can name Winji? I not even see comment them stuff. Somebody come talk to me. Remember when I do the depressed video, you know. My account now we do a long time, you know. I said, do it. You see them style where you have enough for them little things that you do me back. Ziggy never disrespect myself. Never. Ziggy run with girl. Never least. The boy talk to me like a piece of shit. One time I got to mommy, I said, mommy, catch me know mommy mad over him. I said, mommy, you know me not like how do it talk to me and no matter how I tell him not here. I said, do you have certain words where you use to your wife? Then he want to use when me a cuss him against me. But on a regular basis when we're husband and wife, I am a true wife. Proper approach, proper proper intelligent. Dewey can do that, not Dewey. Me not call him Dewey. Dewey do that, babes. Darling, nice name. Go man, you think I love you more than myself? Move your dirty blood clot. But I talk to you. Remember when the man tear, the man tear class me, and I must do right. I said, move my blood clot. I said, what? Somebody else wanna do me? I'm gonna feel say I tear did that type then.
I was enjoying the live when you were in the streets. What's up?
Mike, are you this?
It's fam. How are you? Can you hear me?
I want my idea for.
Are you send for me now?
That me realize.
You know the AC are cool down. It's hot.
Okay, but they have been madam.
I know.
Alright,
enjoying the show. Take your time.
Yeah, bye.
Love you.
Love you too, Mike. Whenever I talk to somebody, I say that I'm a friend. Everything I tell him, do it. That somebody about me, that somebody said this. I get this. Do it that this. Where I do this, where I do that. When you look in my eye up every little thing from me. You are dirty, fam. I know you and your brother this. May you be life. You can't bank in somebody and not get no interest. So nothing my blood clot either. It did have to end when it end. It couldn't end full no time. And then I come go on like say I'm desperate. Me not desperate. I'm glad you're not there in England. What the fuck do you? May you come and play and you malice me. You are checking out one dex here. Me I check over one dex when you reach back to England. You gone back to Manchester with girl. Then call me, trick me, me drive, come 4 hours Manchester, the blood clot fool of me. Is that what I'm to do it? You never know all of them are going in a basket. And when me say to him, say, do it. You can't do me so much something and continue to do that, you know. You're not showing no remorse, you know. Me talk him, you know, because me a counselor, you know. Me a guidance counselor. Me a unit prefect. I don't know much blood clotting me is. When me I work a factory, me a human then. Me is always a strong character. Yeah, man, the broke up. As me tell you now, I done blood clot broke up already from last year and do it come disgrace me that much in blood clot mix up on the internet. When me look at my sucker girl neck, every time him see me, my fan me off about you love video too much, man. You know, me there and see me do look at something, man. You love video and fan me off. But girl, yeah, there when a girl neck and girl a video till girl send it to me, I put it up here, come talk about you off me because me shouldn't put it up and you see them right blood clot there. I never man up your blood clot. I'm a frightened for you. You like the excitement for the world. Yes, a girl I look you and girl I run you down. That's a progress. Good luck. Maybe somebody make them take him off from me, man. Why you turn millionaire? As they say, I go get a big Range Rover and I want go. Go and feed me, Dan. Leave me the fuck alone. When you get your thing you want, remember me not trouble me and provoke me. When I read that one, I said, no, go on now, man, later. Bless up on yourself. Because I see the cover the fever class and all that. I love the fuck you do it. To feel better about myself. Just to feel better about myself. When I talk about love, so me look like somebody when I love my blood clots. If I would this.
I'm here send for now. Good night.
I would a bomber clot is. My GP, my gay flag, them never left me blood clot stranded.
Never, ever, ever. And you said for me, just the request come up.
It's how my energy good do. All the while I do it, you know.
First night now, me.
I just see the whole heap of blue something them and just press one. Me no look at no name. I just look over the blue part and just press.
It's a message.
One.
Yeah, I was just about to watch Top Boy because everybody's going on about it. So let me see you take live. So I'm jumping on the live. Good night, people. Good night, everybody.
Gerald, what?
I'm here surviving. I'm gonna pray.
Good friend better than pocket money.
Yeah, no, it is. You'll be fine. You're gonna get through what you're going through right now. I've been where you've been. Everybody's been. Well, most of us have probably been there. But you're gonna get through it, man. You're a strong woman. But yeah, it's not nice when these things happen. It's very hard. Relationships are very, very, very hard.
Good.
But anybody that has the opportunity to be with you and doesn't recognize the blessing, especially all what you've been able to do for Dewey, you know, that's just on them. But you're going to prevail. 'Cause you're a strong woman. You're a good woman. You're a great
Thank
mother.
you.
And if anybody can't recognize that, then they're just gonna have to learn the hard way.
Simple.
But we give thanks. All good things must come to an end.
Thank you. As we said, me do 3 years with the man. I have some damn good time, and you can't have it all. You understand me, Joel? But me not wish you do no more, right, Joel? God no. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
So in everything, we still I think of the positive times with me and him, but me just don't want to continue that journey there. Yeah. So it's gonna be all right. Just got on time, yeah.
It is. When I went through my situation with somebody who I was very much, I felt like I was in love with them. I don't know if love is the right word, but I did feel like you know, I was in love with them in my brain.
Queenie, my turn now.
Who is that? Calm relationship segment.
Queenie, you know something that you do it? You know you go right back to do it?
Who this?
You come like Chris Rock and Christian.
You think you're gonna go back to do it?
Queenie going right back to do it. I'm not follow up this car. Queenie got mad me, I'm not let Queenie mad me. Queenie going right back to her husband.
Blue face.
Baby, anything you say, darling. God on time.
You not believe so, Queenie?
To God be the glory. Listen, the same amount you say no, come back, come say no. So watch the ride. Okay?
Yeah.
Just watch the ride. It's time. So we
Nah,
listen, let me tell you something.
Last time I tell you don't do it and you share me.
Thank you. Listen, life have some terrible way for turn over upon people. Me can get up tomorrow morning and dead, baby. So there's no more Queenie and do. You hear that? Just put it there, so. So you see, no matter how me day you start real and I go cuss you for do it. Me just attack how me feeling in my heart. You see what going to happen the next second, baby girl? Me don't know if I'm going to drop down on.
I agree to our class do it and I told her again, you shame way. You come like Christian and our man, them always a shame and some of them busy man.
What do you want me to do?
But you keep on your ball stay don't do it and then 2 weeks after you do it. Me not get you.
What's your name?
Ali.
Ali. If you're not in a relationship, you're not gonna get my baby girl. It's happened to the best of it.
Me run left me one. Me could have bought a Queenie. Me run left me one.
Did you run left him the same day you meet him? Thank you, baby girl.
Queenie, me did 2 years. I'm married. What? I'm married last 2 months.
Thank you. So there you go. So you done 2 years, me done 3, some done 30. You can't determine a one fate, baby girl. So when you ever say, me cuss enough to do it, if you not come over here and talk good for me about doing, me not go cuss enough. Any blood clot when I say anything, me dip up on the blood clot first.
And you shame with Queenie.
Shame on the dirty blood clot because you don't have on a closet. And you now come share it. And when me I share it, you know one tell me how to live it. Me not blood clot taste it the way I might taste bud.
That's how we do it. That's how we know see and do it. Go back, Queenie. You're cocky that Queenie. Yeah.
Let me ask you something. When you got married, your relationship ended after 2 months. Your marriage.
The marriage ended early, but the relationship go longer.
How long was you together before you got married?
2 years.
And then after the marriage,
I make 3 years when I'm married. I make 1 year now.
So do you put that down to being married? Do you feel like once you got married, things started to go downhill?
Huh?
Do you feel like once you got married, the pressure on the marriage, do you feel like that messed up the relationship? Because 2 years and then you got married and then you mashed up after 2 months of being married. That's a quick time to mash up after being married.
Yeah, that was a very quick time.
when people get married, usually you would think that that's like a newfound love. It's like a beginning. It's like another fresh start. But you got mashed up 2 months after you got married. How comes? That's quite strange.
No, it's not.
Why
No,
is
2 months because
strange?
2
Everybody,
months.
Gerald, everybody journey different. Gerald,
Not to get
listen.
tired first, so at the
I'm
same
not
thing,
saying
same thing,
I'm not
same
saying it's
thing,
bad.
same thing, same thing, not change.
I'm not saying it's good or bad.
Wait,
I'm saying you would.
wait, can I say something, please? Listen, it's my daughter. We have the 2 grandchildren them. This is
They are trying to put it
very
back to so.
private.
Yeah.
I see when certain things reach her, just lock it off. You see me go on and on. Because I'm still a try. Everybody different.
Yeah.
Some people give up right away. So she, in 2 months, she see the potential. Me see the potential before. Because I believe in my husband.
But Queenie, the person not change. I keep on try.
Wait, baby, wait.
Better.
I just explain for you. I don't scratch the baby. Listen to the queen.
Yeah, listen.
I'm saying to you, my daughter will have the 2 grandbaby. May I give an example? If something happened right away, me trouble her as her mother. She block me, she not answer me no matter how I cuss her. She cut me the fuck off. If my father she not ring me. You see me, that's mother. If you cut me, I'm going to say no, I'm going to remember the good times. I'm going to chase you and say, no man, him couldn't just turn against me, so I'm going to look for him. So everybody is different, darling. You put up to so much. Some done in 2 months, some take 20 years.
Everyone is different. But you see when you got married, you know when you get married, that's like a honeymoon period, isn't it? Well, a lot of people do say that some people do say they regret getting married because they feel
Me
like
not regret it.
some people say that once they get married, they feel like their relation is too much pressure on the
Gerald,
relationship.
me not regret married.
I'm not saying I get married, but I'm not married again.
You would or you wouldn't.
Bye.
You would or
Listen.
you would or you wouldn't.
I would get married again.
Yeah, he's a pretty girl. You have to get married again.
Hey, you're
You're
a
going
good
to
girl.
get married
Now,
again.
what's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Ali.
Ali, you're a good girl. For you married, you're a good girl. Let me tell you something, Ali. Ali,
Yeah,
me
me at
not
you.
married. You see what me I got to? God knows, sir. Me I got come out through and me I got school the world with it. And me I got come stronger 1,000,000 trillion times.
Wait,
Watch the right,
can
Ali.
I say something? Why people stay in a marriage when they're not happy?
Oh, Ali.
Isn't that hard to know? Huh?
Ali, me just explain to you, sir. Some people cut off right away. And some people still try. Whether in that you still a come back a question. Ali, go on now later. Go on, Ali.
Relationships are very hard, especially in this day and age.
Life is hard.
Life is
You see,
hard,
listen, Jarrell. You see,
complicated.
life is to negotiate. There's boundaries in life. There's commitment. There is routines. So if you have somebody becomes have a relationship, all of them things that make relationship, Jarrell. A man can't do have a thing forgive you, but him get up him water the garden, him trim down the tree them, him put 2 nails in the curtain rod where I drop down. You understand me? So he make a difference. He may not do that, but the comfort where him give you and the love where him give you, you have to, okay, everything after balance not come easy. So there is some value in that person. Wrong or right, Joel?
Correct.
So me believing to use one good and cover many bad. So when me remember every time I had a good time with me and my husband.
Of course.
The nice man, do we have some power? Do we have some power? Do we say we said to me, say, me I tell me and do it there Clarendon. I will pass every road. And at the road where me live when me have 5, do we call out and say Sharp Avenue. I may see that as gift and connection. And me say, why you say Sharp Avenue? So me just see if you say it all out. So me say, why you never call out the rest of the road name? You know me they live this when me have 5.
Yeah, so it's like a special thing.
So me see say I have powers where him can see things and to me love read into them little things and I see it as blessing. So I appreciate him for them little things. Sometimes when I say nothing and him say one something and it makes so much sense. I say, Jesus Christ, do that make sense to know? So I validate those things and override the bad with the cause I want my relationship for work. Remember my married, she will just come off, don't mind blood clot. She don't remember what she married for. We married for better or for worse. Let me tell you, some people sell out them signature. So when you sign, the worst thing coming in marriage, so you sign to it. Sickness or in health. So me sick, yeah. So she had chat shit will just come on the phone. I tell me every time do it. And I will cuss you out for do it. In sickness or in health, him a hype on me. But was him sign him signature to that. So he's not a man of his word, innit? Me, the wife, when me stab you with the scissors, me still call you and say, do you and come and let me dress it for you? You understand me? Because the paper say, in sickness or in health, in good or in bad.
For better, for worse.
For richer or for worse, whatever it said. So now I'm saying in these crises when him separate and gone over the waters, nothing wrong. He that run and fight will live to fight another day. But give me my respect. And that make me a vent. Humble yourself and do your thing and build yourself. Make me cancer blood clot. Me did that whole long doing. You understand me? Yeah, me not hold it down, brother. Leave me alone. So Joel, you just come back down to the individual.
Yeah, it is. Everyone's different. I strongly believe that I think sometimes when it comes to love, there is a little saying that they say sometimes you can love somebody, but you can love somebody to a point where even once you realize that they're not for you, you just have to love them from a distance. So you can't let them go. That's a part of love, because just because you might feel like you're meant to be with somebody, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're right for you.
Father will make it 5 pitney. I tell him say me not take no other man. Remember, me never married to my baby father. Because I say me don't want my kids them grow with no man.
Yeah.
Yes, when me do take one man and go back against my word years after, my last child was 5. You understand me? So I said to my baby father, say, let me tell you something. Leave me and set me free. Yeah. If anything, you pick up at my pieces. It's a one thing I can tell you. May I keep this band for have 5 kids for 1 man. You hear what I said, Joel?
I did keep that band.
I said to my baby father, set me free. If anything happen, you pick up my pieces. My baby father is my major manager. Anything where you see him have to go write it. I let me tell you something. You see the amount of respect how I see the whole of them accept the way and do it, undermine them and rate my family. Enough things to it, Joel. When I said to my baby father, I said, let me set me free. If anything, they have to pick up my pieces. Them are 5 pin them give. 5 different emotions that. One thing I can tell you, see my last one we have special need to a half idiot there. Escada. You see, I go through with him, Joel. Me tell me, be a father, me not have another youth. Me's a person to my words. No. With all due respect, my husband I married and put my signature for better or for worse. So you see this girl will just come off and name Ali I tell me my cuss her for true. She never fight out for what for her belief. Listen. You see every time I remember when I put my Janice SPU to become Scarlet, me's a person to my words. So the shit is not that I accept it. I try to deal with it. You understand the levels? Make sense?
Yeah.
I not accept it because it rot me. But remember my fingers. I'm a person to my word. I try to deal with it. No, dealing with it, you have to assure me. We can't make this together. All right, just when do it. Yes, when do it. Thump me in my face 3 days after. I made him there, man, with a big fat face. I will put the ice on the face. Shan, big up yourself. And we did have the ice on my face and whatever. I did it on the face that hurt me, And the man them in the car, and I see him go up on the car top come out of the car and put him 2 and them on the car. Because the man them sit down in the car. And them are balling up. I'm going to hug him from back here. I said, do it. It's all right, baby, because I lick you. But never you thump a woman. You know, me I talk to him still because it hurt my butt. Remember, I'm a husband, Jarrell. And I say, crazy. You know, I feel when I see your face crazy. And I say, we're going to do this thing together. It's all right, darling. This will make you learn. All you have to do is stick by me. You understand me? Send me there to the hospital now and call him now, and see him take long for coming up. Blood clot. Come feel tissue, look them and tell me them and cut out my face so I get
Paranoid. Yeah.
Hey, Joel, I good eater that people don't do it. They talk about me for stop ball. A ball in hell, me make me track, so.
Yeah.
I'm in a ball, I'm patronize myself, but ball because it's heavy. I say, blood clot, man, let's hold this. No, boy, I'm all that. Come. Remember him tumbling on my face.
Yeah, right. Right now you just have to do what you have to do to make yourself feel better.
Thank you.
That is it. Anything you want, anything you feel. It's hard. But...
Listen, it's when Mr. Team the 31st August said, it have to end today. It have to end. I said, God, listen to me. It is what it is. That is my journey. I can do if you just give him a car and just release himself. You understand me? I will take it process. Me no want to come on me every minute. I say, do you trouble me and it had sugar me off and me have to come trouble him and talk about one about something. Do it. Respect yourself. Done. Do it. May I beg you again. Done. Take your freedom, darling. Me not have to come over here come class again because if you prefer me, I'll let mama me a blood class when me not know. Leave me do it. You understand? Leave him and get my car, baby. Let me be in peace. Live my life. Do use it to get where you want. Duh. You just come to class. It's so like when we married 2021. You're 2.5 years late, my dear. We all know that. Okay? Yes, but let me tell you something. Enough people, no one people, and just where people take care of them and care them and appreciate them. Let me show about appreciation. And that me I talk about. Everybody have to use blood clot somebody. Me use them for comfort. We not talk about use. You understand me, Jarrell?
Yeah.
Everybody use somebody. If either them nice or them cute, and I say, yes, me can make life with that boy. Everybody use somebody for something.
Yeah.
And I appreciate. And the way I'm not giving no credibility for nothing. I say blood clot.
And those are the questions that you go back to yourself. Do I want to be with somebody that's unappreciative, that's not gonna appreciate
Listen,
me?
if me take back do it right now, everything we do me, I'm gonna do it million times more. It can't come back, Joel. You think me idiot?
I know. I don't believe it's gonna fix stuff.
And them are idiot. You know, seems this my marriage.
Because there's only so much a person can take.
England we live. I would know about psychology. What's word name?
Psychology.
When them not beat that in your head at Jamaica, them beat it in your head at England. You see, do it. Do you think him can work in brains from me? Let me just sit back and say, really do it. You have options and you feel like you can demolish me. And to everybody I say, you're there with old man and she vulgar and she love this. You see, if I wear something and doing I like it, him not tell me, him go back and chat me with people. Crazy, but I can't talk to you, but you not tell me nothing, do you just let me do anything when I want to do. You understand me? Then him blame me for everything, but what me I say now, Jarrell, at the Liberty I talk to me and the man Bill, I'm a praise him and I say, do you bring me luck, man? Because sometimes you do it with some man, them hold you down and something, you know? And give me a little boots and I say, do it. If you do some girl tune, because the girl them love you, do it. So do some tune, because a girl pin by music. And make me and you do tune, because the girl them love me. You know, want none of that. So me I get up and say, okay, Queenie, hopeless back up. But when it go end, me don't know when it end, me just let a blood clot end. Not come easy. Appreciate me. You understand me, Joel? Me's a great woman.
Yeah.
Me I don't shoes bottom. Oh, you deal with me like shoes bottom, so. They want to see the idiot on the stage and you hear the booing in the background. I laugh and say, fuck her, it's sweet, mate.
Right now, you just have to focus on yourself. Back to self-love. This all comes back to self-love because you attract what you are. So the moment that you start to fill back up yourself with self-love, what's in your cup is for you.
Yeah.
What comes out of your cup is for everybody else.
Yeah.
You attract the right person that can, because it is going to take a special person to be with somebody like yourself because of your energy, especially a big grown man as well. But you right now, it's just all about yourself, you and your family.
Man give problem and young man give problem.
Of course.
Man give blood clot problem. Nobody not tell me no fuck.
Of course, no, but one of the special things about you, Queenie, is your energy, though.
Thank you.
For as big as
it's the heart you have as a person.
The reason why you being with a young person makes sense is because of your energy. You have a lot of energy for the age that you are. You don't have a lot of people. There's only one other man that I know there's one person I know that can match your energy. So that's why I can see you being with a younger man. But at the same time, I do believe that younger men come with certain more problems. That's a bit more because they're not fully.
In a sense, because them have to get maturity and experience to learn from.
Right, because
some of the older have the more experience because they've been down the road.
Right.
In a sense, but then you have a man the same age as that man, and he's so mature. I think he's 53. So
it's a different kind of liberty. Yes, the liberties are still there, but it's a different kind of liberty. And when he might be doing the same fuckery that the younger boy is doing, is maybe gonna do it in a bit more of a less of a disrespectful manner.
Jurel, you have some big man, you know, disrespectful, you know. But angle man, you know, cut woman in them face, you know, some man respect woman, you know. Them just fuck woman, you know, madam. Some man hate woman, you know.
But you're not gonna attract a man like that, though. That's the point.
No. Just say in general.
Yeah.
So some man, them fuck woman, but them not rate woman, you know. Them do woman some things, you know, some things that them think of woman, you know. You understand me? With woman, man have to push you over to an edge for you think of them that way there. You notice how much man take a woman because a woman cheat on them and kill them. You understand? Yeah, man, but all is not last, not no last forever.
Self-love, everybody. We have to love with self. And we have to just go back to basics. You attract what you are. Right now, I'm on my self-love journey, and it's never ending. Every day you learn something different about yourself. You learn how to... And one thing that I would say to people, because I have to go now, but one thing I would say is, unless you've been in a situation yourself, especially when it comes pertaining to love, you shouldn't really judge people's situation, because when it comes to love and relationships, until you're in it, it is different. There's enough things we say we wouldn't do.
I look at young bumper hole them when you step on this house from 15 and 16 years when I go through worse than blood clot. Now I'm here.
No, but that's the thing. People think that when you're more grown in life and when you're a big woman or when you're a big man, they feel like you shouldn't go through certain things.
When you
look
at when you look at blood clot 18-year-old and then catch a stuff cocky and look up but them class the same blood clot. We don't mind blood clot people. People can't trick blood clot. The whole over there you start like of talk. We are little blood clot right now. I got through some sort of blood clot something. Been through some sort of something. I know about some sort of blood clot something. None of them can treat my dirty blood clot. Where?
What the fuck up?
You can't trick blood clot me. May I beat and teach you dirty blood clot.
Learn
with my mix-up. My
learn for yourself.
My reality show. And it's a fuck. Me tell do me man in the YouTube bag. Do we have John? The gamble stick? Do we have the wally for something them for the not near the blood clot? I come blood clot when we top class. Samantha, my wife out my body crease, Samantha, and snipe it across your blood clot face. When do it goes up on your blood clot face and my body has smell. Move your blood clot. Go ahead.
Cutie.
How would you cutie?
Creative relationships at QA. Make we talk love and life and relationships. Yes.
Good night.
Hello.
How are you, my dear?
I'm
I'm
great.
fine.
How are you?
Oh, you mean if you know what
Is that what you're talking
Yes,
to?
Marsha, you're damn right for ask, Marsha. Yes, with the wedding dress and Nash and the whole works, Nash. Big up, Nash.
Queenie, I'm coming to the
I
bathroom.
can't
Queenie,
talk
you
nothing
got
more.
now?
I just want to talk to some people. Because when I asked auntie to blood clot and I think the things, and I said, no, I'm not staying there mad with them. I forgot help mad with blood clot. I move them dirty blood. Because I'm mad
Why
with
you
a
mad out
place.
yourself? Like,
It's a
no
play.
matter what now.
It's
No
a
matter
play.
what.
Nobody
You're always
you
mad long
don't mind you,
time.
Marsha.
But we like your mad energy. We don't want you stress out. We don't want you stress out yourself, Queenie, for
Life
true.
has stressed me out. So I have to take life as it come and bounce and come again.
So what do you think you can do to make things better? What do you think you can do to make yourself better now and happy? You're in a one position now, one situation now. What do you think you can do to change?
No, it doesn't
get back to
happen life as
yourself.
you say, Marsha. It takes time and emotions. In any relationship on earth, if you get a cut, it takes weeks before it heals. It's the same thing when you're hurt. So me myself don't know what I got to take. Me just know me have to stand authority for all of what I've been through. So no say not no last forever. And sometimes you have to have trees. It's the natural nature of tree. You have the tree that will get yellow and drop off. It's life. You understand? So you have to lose to win. So there's come a time when there's a certain call where you know say you have to just make nature take it course. But it's not easy. Me as with this use personality, I mean the inner I suffer in myself with the liberty, and I say this man don't even reach out to me. So you know that now, Queen. Instead of you see, come carry me come over here in Marsha. Me no know, maybe that Canada with me, maybe him put it in a knapsack. He might be carry Canada with me. Because the way I do it can't trick man, him slim. Me no know how maybe him slim down the car with him. I don't understand. You understand?
Yeah, that boy.
Yeah, man.
So they carry Jamaica.
Obviously. But what happened?
Okay.
The car booked for 2 weeks.
But you don't know which part of Jamaica
so
there.
True, me I got through someone, me remember nothing about the woman booking. So when me get the call to them, I said, Jesus Christ, the 4th of October. But me now, you can't get the car, you have to go look something different. When them ask me what about the money, me say,
So the woman pay for the